Searching for information on cleaning? Your database is one of the most crucial components of your WordPress website. It's where all your posts, revisions, and lots of other critical information are stored, so keeping it running in top shape is vital. However, as time passes, it's normal for your database to become bloated, and that's where WordPress database maintenance plugins come in. These tools enable you to optimize your databases and keep them lean, which is said to translate to faster loading times and less space taken up on your servers. However, not all plugins are equally effective, so you'll want to pick and choose when it comes to database maintenance plugins. In this case, we'll take care of the testing for you. First, we'll talk a bit more about what WordPress database maintenance plugins are and how they work. Then we'll try out 3 popular options and see how they compare. Doctor, overall, our testing points to WP Optimize as the best option, but we encourage you to read the full post to see how we came to that conclusion. What WordPress database maintenance plugins are, and how they can benefit you. Your site's database is a collection of tables where WordPress stores its information. Contact us as soon as possible for some details on cleaning.